Hi, this is the review of the orderIT trading system activity for June 25th, 2021. We had 3 trades on that day. All 3 were buys. First trade was BLNK. BLNK Charging Company. Tripped at 11:55 a.m. at a price of $42.59. Closed the day at 42.27, up 1.86%, but didn't close above its stripping price, so we have to see if there's any activity in the day where it was above. So 11:55, 42.49, 42.60. There's a couple of points here, but not extensive, only a couple of points. Yeah. Right after a trip, there was a couple of points, but not very long periods where it was above its stripping price. And I don't consider that long enough for a positive, so let's check to see. OPV looks good, MACD looks good, DI is showing that it was positive, coming down a bit at the end of the day, and Bollinger Band moving sideways. I'm going to say possible, but it's not based on the indicators a strong possible. The indicators are showing a little bit positive, but not extensive. And in the day, it actually was dropping, so it's a very non 100% positive possible. Next trade is BIDU. That's BIDU Incorporated, tripped at 12:05 p.m. at a price of 201.57. It closed the day at 202.64, up 4.04%. So that definitely is positive because it closed above its stripping price. Check the indicators just to see if they show that, or to show the operation or direction. OBV looks good, moving steadily up. MACD came up, maintained it after it dropped a little bit, so averages maintained. Interesting, DI up a good portion of the day, but you can see in the day it actually was down a little bit, it was making a bit of a recovery at closing, and you can see the back and forthness in DI actually gives a good indication of sideways movement. What you see, Bollinger Band is showing specifically sideways movement for the most part. Excuse me. Next trade is NNDM. That's Nano Dimensions Limited, tripped at 3:05:04 p.m. at a price of $8.87. Closed the day at $8.77, up 1.74%. And that's 3:05. So close right around there, 8.89, 8.87. Okay, so almost a half an hour here where it was above its tripping price on a regular basis. So I'm going to consider that a positive. Excuse me again. OBV, not too bad. You can see in the day the volume was coming down, even though at closing it looked like it was covering a little bit, or moving up a little bit. MACD, you can see where it came up and then dropped off a little bit, and DI came up and dropped off a little bit, and Bollinger Band came up, dropped a little. Now, it technically was moving positive, just the end of the day it was closing down. So that's 3 stocks, 2 out of 3, which is 7% and 100% for possible. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.